Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to check recently watched reels on Instagram. Maybe you watched a reel and now you want to find it again but can't recall what it was. There are two different tricks I'm going to share with you. They're not foolproof, but they're the best options available at the moment. So open your Instagram profile and tap on Reels at the bottom right. Suppose you liked a reel but scrolled past it, watched several others, and now you want to go back. As long as you haven't closed out of Instagram or it hasn't been too long, you can simply go back to your reel history list. So let's return to Reels, and you can swipe down to go back through your history. There it is. You can find that specific reel. However, if it's been a week or a month, this won't work. It's only for recent stuff. Now, the second option, which doesn't always work. So, if you interacted with the specific reel in some way, let's say you liked it or commented on it, even if you've closed out of Instagram, you can find it again. To do this, tap on your profile at the bottom right, then the three lines at the top right. Next, tap on Your Activity under Interaction section and tap on Likes. You will see the reel you interacted with here. This method won't work for all reels, especially if you didn't engage with them. But if you did, you can find and rewatch them here. That's why I recommend hitting the like button for any specific reels or posts you enjoy. This ensures you can always revisit them later. They're kept in your activity forever. You can scroll through the list and watch a reel you liked 6 months ago or whenever. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.